Good morning, students. Today we will do exercise 16.1. Question number 1. Find the values of the letters in the following and give reasons for the steps involved. All the question we have to find the values of the unknown A, B, C, D. Okay, so here is a simple addition. 3A and 25. So here the addition of A and 5 is giving 2. Okay, in the solution you can see that A and 5 is giving 2. When it will give 2, when we add 7 to the 5 it will give 12 and carry 1. So carry 1 will make 4 and 2, that is B equal to 6 and A equal to 7. Okay, so A equal to 7 and B equal to 6 and it is 62. Okay, we have to find in this way a values of A and B. Here 4A and plus 98 gives CB3. So what is the number which on adding with 8 we get 3? It is 5. Okay, 5 plus 8 is 13 and carry over 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 9 is 14. So B's value is 4 and C's value is 1. So 1, 4, 3 is the result and A is 5. So A is 5, B is 4 and C is 1. Okay, so here it is given in the form of multiplication. 1A multiplied by A to gives 9A. Okay, so A multiplied by A, it will again comes the A and the carry will make the multiplication of A with 1 is 9. So that must be the A must be 1, 5 or 6. Okay, this happens only when A is equal to 1, 5 or 6. So on multiplying by 1 we will get the 1 at the unit place. 5 also we will get the unit place at 5. 6 is the 36, we will get the 6 at the unit place. So we will by putting randomly we will find it. By putting 1 the multiplication will be 11. Here 10 digit is given as 9, therefore A equal to 1 is not possible. 5 multiplication is 15 and it is equal to 75, but on putting the 6 we will get the required value, that is 9. 16 6 is 96, therefore A should be 6. Here find the values of the letters again A, B, and on multiplying the on adding the 7 with B we will get the A. Okay, so there is 3 is less in the tens digit, so it will be the addition of A and 3 is giving 6 here. So there can be two cases. First step is not producing any carry. Okay, if it is not any carry, then B, in this case A becomes to be 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Okay, but it is not possible. First step is producing a carry. So in that case we will put the sum of the A comes to be 2. Okay, by putting the A equal to 2 we get the 6 and also we can add here the carry 1. So total is 6 at the tens digit place. Considering the first step, addition of B and 7 is giving 2. So here we will put the value of B is equal to 5, which is 12, and carry over 1, which we will get at the tens digit. So A and B are 2 and 5. Same way we will solve the again next question. AB multiplied by 3, we got CAB. So whenever a number is multiplied by 3 and we'll get the same B, so it must be 0 or 5. Okay, whenever we will multiply it by 3 to 0, we'll get 0, and 5, then again 15. Let b is 5, so carry 1, and it will be added at the a, so CA, and b must be 0 only if there is no possibility for any value of a. Okay, hence b must be 0 only if b equal to 0. Okay, so we should obtain 3 into a, that is equal to CA, and that is 1's digit is equal to 3 into a. Okay, so this is only possible when a equal to 5 or 0. So 50 into 3 is 150. Okay, only it is possible for 5 and 0, the value of a and b. Okay, so a's value here is 5, b's value is 0, and c's value is 1. Find the values of the letters in the following. AB into 5 is equal to CAB. Again, the multiplication of b and 5 is going a number whose 1's digit is b again. So it must be 5 or 0. Okay, so 5 into 5 it is 25. 2 it will carry to the next step, which is not possible for a equal to 2 or 7. Multiplication is as follows. So if b equal to 0, we will get the 0. There will be not be carry in this step. 5 into a is equal to CA can only happen when a equal to 5 or a equal to 0. So a cannot be 0 as ab is a 2-digit number, and a can be 5 only. Multiplication is 50 into 5, that is 250. So in this way we can find it. Okay, and the values again, a, b, and 2, 6 is triple b. So here the multiplication of 6 and b gives a number whose 1's digit is b. So what are the possible numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. By putting 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, we will check the values, and got our answer is 444, and the value is 74. A and B are 74. Find the values of the letters in the following. Again, A1 and 1B will get B0. Again, we will put by random the possibilities we can put here and get the value of A and B as 7 and 9. Okay, here we have to find again the value of A and B. Okay, so B, it must be 8, the unit place. So A is 4. By taking the different numbers, we will get the values as 718. And the values of the letters in the following and give reasons for the steps involved again. So it is 1, 2A and 6AB and A09. So A and B addition will give here 9. Okay, so whose 1 digit is 9. So the sum can be 9 only as a sum of 2 single digits. Number cannot be 19. Therefore, there will be not be any carry in this step. In the next step, it is 2 plus a is equal to 0. A is equal to 8. So therefore, the addition will be shown as 128 plus 681. It is equal to 809. Hence, the values of a and b are here 8 and 1. Okay, so it is chapter name is playing with numbers, and we have to play with numbers, find the unknown numbers in the multiplication and division problems. Okay, in this way we have to complete the exercise 16.1. Thank you. Have a nice day.